Hi everyone, JD from jdagriparts.com back to you. JD for John Dolan or John Deere, whatever you think yourself. It's been a tough weekend, but I have to say it. Mayo for Sam, and we're definitely going to do it this time. In other news, Harper Adams Ireland dinner Saturday 17th September, Cleshin Hotel, Portlaoise, dress code informal smart, 7:30 to 8 p.m. Miss Julie Brooke, alumni officer, anybody who would like to attend that. Anyone looking for an internship from Harper Adams for us this year, please apply to Dolan INC instead of Dolan Agri. We'll be posting more about that later on. Anyway, this is a short information video on how to set up the Comer Masher seed box, which we fit to all the Guttler Greenmaster machines we sell. Everybody is more than happy with the machine, but the settings maybe not so. Like, no messing, I get quite the amount of calls on how to set these machines. Don't get me wrong, I really do love our long drawn out chats, but I hope this video will make it a bit easier. Firstly though, the reason for all the calls is we have not been able to avail of an English manual until now. So if you're not much good at German, it's no good to you. It's not really your fault. Guttler, class engineering company, thank you very much, that operates more German than the Germans themselves. I'm sorry, you've missed a trick here, but it's okay, you have all that corrected now. First, you'll need the correct roller. Make sure the correct roller is in the machine. Grass and large sleeves, please use the gear type roller, which is not this one. Okay, bad start, I know, but you know what I mean. This is the small fluted roller. Any small seeds can be used in this, such as clover, kale, turnips, would you believe? I've seen that going on before. Okay, so you get your grass roller, which is not that, put it in the machine. Fill a couple of kgs into the bin. It doesn't have to be much, just a few fistfuls of stuff and that. Next you will need a weigh scale. Now, I'm not very fond of this one because it's not electronic. Electronic scale is the way to go because it's easier on the mind, eyes, calculator, fighting, etc. You know. Your Guttler weigh tray is also very important, which is actually under the camera. Lovely. So we'll call this the tray, right? You set your sliders on the side of the machine. Okay, so slider 1, which is the small little one on the right hand side facing downwards. This controls your brush setting. Note the brush should be set at a lower setting the smaller the seed been applied, even into the -1 and 2. Setting for really tiny seed and opened right up to 4, 5, 6 or 7 for wheat, barley and the like. Okay, it's not too important where it is within reason, as you can do a calibration and it'll all become relevant. So let's just say you want 13 kgs per acre. Now, most Irish farmers convert in acres, which I think adds a whole load of confusion to the matter, as we, the new generation, have embraced the metric system along with almost every machinery manufacturer, seed company, agri advisors, governments, it goes on. Sorry, okay, 13 kgs per acre. Set slider 1, remember right hand side facing downwards between 1 and -1. That's where the brush should be roughly. It doesn't really make much difference, but -1, 0, 1 or 2 will be fine. Now the other slider on the opposite side, the one from 0 to 40, forward facing, take a punt where you think this should be. Anywhere between 15 and 20 is good for a start. Now remember, this is only a calibration. Don't you dare seed that field yet, and don't you dare pick up this and ring me after you've seeded. Remove the covers from the back of the machine and place the chute into the slots, like so. Very satisfying to see that tolerance, I know. Well done, Guttler. Place tray under the seed bin chute now. We'll use this. Land wheel, please rotate the land wheel, which is your wheel on the ground, 23.5 turns. You might want to handle this or else it could get a bit messy. When you've finished with the revolutions, you should have a small bit of seed in the tray, in the weigh tray. Please weigh it in kgs, in kgs, in kgs. So you have to get the kgs. Okay, assuming you get 1.115 kgs per hectare. You need this tool now as a calculator, multiplied by 100, because what you have done there is taken a snapshot of 100th of an acre. So watch, 115 by 100 is 11.5 kgs per hectare. And we all remember the magic number to bring hectares back to Brian Brew's acre is divide by 2.47, which will leave us with a silly 4.65. You can keep adjusting the slider forward facing one, up and up and up until you get the desired rate of 13 kgs, which will be 32.11 kgs per hectare. Now, I hope that helps. And any of you that are really stuck, please give us a buzz. We'll be more than happy to help. Until next time, happy sowing. See ya.